It's 2017 Physicians Week, and the Nigerian Medical Association is focusing on declining immunization coverage in the country. Statistics from the NMA reveal Niger State with the lowest uptake of routine immunization in north-central Nigeria at 20%, Nasarawa State at 34.9%, Kogi State 38.4%, and Plateau State with 45.2%. What this means for Niger State is only 1 amongst 5 children aged between 12 to 24 months is said to have received complete doses of prescribed vaccination.
One of the reasons that we have identified around us here is the fact that during the polio supplementary immunizations, people felt that immunization henceforth is now to be delivered in your doorsteps. But that is not true. There are still a lot of vaccines under our prescribed routine immunization that must be taken at the health facilities.
In Ilori, Kwara State, the national president of the Nigerian Medical Association discloses more disturbing statistics on the immunization coverage in Nigeria.
The 2016-2017 National Immunization Coverage Survey indicates that only 33% of our children between 12 to 23 months of age had 3 doses of pentavalent vaccines against the global target of 90%.
To the south-south, the Bayelsa State chapter of the NMA embarks on a road walk to create awareness on immunization apathy and benefits of immunization at the Swali market.
I want to use this medium to tell Bayelsans that they should come out in numbers, particularly those of them who have children who are in the age of immunization, that they should come out and make sure they benefit from this exercise.
The traders who were hitherto wary of immunization of their children on receiving this information had a rethink.
This one too, the people are clarifying us now. We'll go for the immunization. We will also watch out.
I don't see saying our government send that we go.
Physicians Week is marked annually by the Nigerian Medical Association to assess healthcare services, implement intervention measures, and carry out corporate social responsibility through outreaches and advocacy for implementing health policies by the government.